Okay, so in isosceles triangle, we have two sides are equal in length and the base angles, they should be equal in measure. So let's solve this question in front of you. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find x. AB and BC and AC if triangle
Miss
AC.
أنا مش شايفة الquestion.
Miss, there is no question.
Oh, I didn't share the screen.
No.
لا يعني you opened it but there are no questions.
The cheat.
كده like this.
Okay, you can speak now.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we want to answer question number 2. In question number 2, find x. Okay, and then if the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So how we can solve this question, grade 9? How we can solve this question? Say directly. Say.
10x minus 6 equal 7x plus 3 equal 8x plus 8x مش عارفة equal 8x equal 8x.
So you are going to make 10x minus 6 equal 7x plus 3 equal 8x? Or we can choose
yes.
only two sides?
Two sides.
Two sides, right? Because it's an equilateral, which means all sides are equal. So we will choose any two sides to solve them together. Like what? Like 10, for example, 10x. So already we have, it's an equilateral triangle. Then AB equal BC equal AC. Okay, then AB equal BC equal AC, which means we can say 16x minus 10 equal 8x. Then we will transfer. Magdi is not here, right?
I'm here, Miss.
Yeah, Magdi here.
I'm here.
Right. 16 x minus how many, Magdi? 8x.
8x.
It will be equal how many? It will be equal
10.
10, which means
بس هي المفروض 10x و minus 6.
yeah, 10x minus 6. I wrote what?
16x minus
sorry.
10.
10x minus 6 equal 8x. Then 10x minus 8x, right? 10x minus 8x equal how many? Equal how many? Equal 6. Then 2x equal 6, which means x equal how many? Which means x equal how many? X equal 3. Okay, so we found the value of x. We will back to replace. Tell me the length of each side. It will be how many now? Tell me the length of each side. It will be how many now?
24.
24. Thank you. Then if you will replace in any side, then it will be the same length because it's already equilateral triangle. Then we will replace in the easiest one 8x, so it will be 24. Then for the isosceles triangle, we have two sides are equal, and then we can use the properties to solve the equation. Okay, let's move to question number 3, please. Question number 3. Find the measure of the sides of the triangle if the vertices of the triangle E, F, G, and E, he gives us the coordinates for each one. So how we are going to solve this question? Sorry?
ينفع حضرتك تدخلي فرح؟
فرح?
Distance formula?
Yes, by using the distance formula. Could you please only remind me the distance formula? Remind me the distance formula.
x2 minus x1
Square root x2 minus
Square root x2 minus
x1 power 2.
Yes, so it's x2 minus x1 all to the power of 2 x2 minus x1 all to the power of 2 plus y2 minus y1 all to the power of 2. Then, is there any problem? Anyone have a problem to use the formula and find the length? Anyone have a problem to use the formula and find the length? I think we took it many times before. I'm just reviving with you the main topics to move to our quiz. I will go through the next question. This one. Identify the congruent triangles. Identify the congruent triangles and name their corresponding angles. Could you please tell me which two triangles are congruent here? Which two triangles are congruent here? Which two triangles are congruent? Yes, Farah, Mahla.
Can I see?
Mahla. Triangle what?
Triangle DGF and triangle BCA.
Could you please repeat again to write after you? Triangle what?
DGF.
DGF. Okay.
No, Miss DGF, not AGF.
D, right? Okay. Yes, sorry. DGF. Then, which angle corresponding to D? Which angle corresponding with D, ya Farah?
B.
B, yes. And which angle corresponding with G?
C.
C. And which angle corresponding with F?
A.
A. Okay, thank you so much. Then we have Abdurrahman Khalid absent, right? Abdurrahman Khalid absent. Yusuf Abu Tamam. Then the two triangles. Yes.
Sahar returns saying to you that her internet is lagging and she cannot hear you.
Okay. So I will, we can write the instruction to her after a while. So this
I
is
can take screenshots.
Okay, thank you.
And send it.
Then the triangle DGF equal the triangle PCA. So this is the two triangles which they are congruent. Could you please tell me the corresponding congruent angles? The corresponding congruent angles. The case which we, in this one, identify the congruent triangles and name their corresponding congruent angles. We used which postulate to prove that the two triangles are congruent here? We use which postulate? Grade 9, you can hear me?
Yes, Miss Sahar.
We use which postulate to prove that those two triangles are congruent?
SSS.
SSS, yes, SSS. So 3 sides. We can use something called angle. There is any case called?
No.
No, we don't have.
No.
Okay. Then which angles they will be congruent now? Which angles they will be congruent now? As we said before, angle D with angle Kariman, angle D with angle B. Muhammad Yasser.
Yes, miss.
Tell me the angles, please.
Okay. We write it.
Tell me the angles. Tell me the angles which they are corresponding to each other. Tell me the angles.
Okay. Okay. DF. لا we wrote it صح. Sorry.
Angle D with angle P.
Angle D with angle D.
Angle
and
G with G with
G with A.
G with
C.
C. G with C. And A with
C. And A with D. Or the A with F.
With
A
F.
with F.
Okay. Salma.
Yes.
Salma, could you please answer the last question? Identify the transformation and verify that it's congruent transformation. Identify the transformation here.
reflection about x-axis.
Thank you. It's a reflection about x-axis. You are correct. And we can verify that they are congruent.
Yeah.
Because reflection keep what?
The same size and shape.
The same size and the same shape. So those two figures, they will be congruent. Okay? The last part before we will start with our quiz. Question number 4. Did you see question number 4?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Question number 4. We want to find measure of angle 1. It will be how many? Measure of angle 1. Adham. Measure of angle 1.
Yes.
It will be how many, Adham?
Measure of angle 1.
Yes.
Okay. Well,
Nihad, be ready. Nihad, be ready. Measure of angle 1. It will be how many, Adham?
it will be 180 minus 70.
70. It will be 70. How did you find it?
Because the triangle is isosceles, so the
Very
base
good.
angles will be equal in measure,
Thank
and
you.
110 is an exterior angle, so 180 minus 110 equals 70. And since angle 1 equals the other base angle,
You
equal.
said that 110 is an exterior angle, right?
Yes.
I agree with you that 110 is an exterior angle, but you don't have the two non-adjacent interior angle, Adham. So
Bas,
first we will start with supplementary angle. This is what you mean? You will find the supplement of 110,
yeah,
right?
yes,
You will
which is
find
70.
supplement of 110, then it will be 70.
Yes.
And as you said that we have isosceles, then the base angles, they will be equal. Thank you. Then, which means measure of angle 1, it will be
70.
equal 70 degree. Thank you. Ahmed Uta? Sorry, Nihad. I
Yes,
said
miss.
Nihad, I'm sorry. Nihad, could you please
Yes,
tell
miss.
me what is the measure for angle 2? For angle 2? Angle 2.
Be 140.
140. How did you find it?
140. 180 minus 40.
180 minus 40 because you found the vertex angle, you mean?
Yes.
Yes, you found the vertex angle. Yes, thank you. So in this one, you can find the vertex angle and then you will find supplement. Or you can say that measure of angle 2, it will be exterior, then we will add 70 plus 70. Last question. Last question, measure of angle 3. Measure of angle 3, how we will find it?
Oh,
Equal
50.
70.
Hana Yasser? Hana Yasser? It will be
Yes,
how
Miss
many?
Sahar.
Measure of angle 3.
Measure of angle 3, it will be 70 because it is alternate interior of angle 1.
Oh, we don't have parallel here, Hannah.
Well,
We don't have
oh,
parallel.
sorry.
Think.
Miss,
50.
but why isn't it parallel?
He didn't mention anything to say that they are parallel.
Oh, okay,
Didn't put
sorry,
any
sorry.
sign.
Miss Sahar,
Yes.
it will be 90.
No. Farah Hashim is talking. Who is talking?
Me, Miss Yasmin.
Can I answer?
Yes, please.
50?
It will be. Huh?
50?
50.
Yes.
50.
Yes. It will be equal 50. Why it will be equal 50? Let me explain. So we said that this one, this angle equal 40, right? Did you see the pen where? This one equal 40. So the vertical angle should be equal. This one should be equal how many? Equal 40, right? And the angle, this 40 and angle 3 are complementary angles. Their sum equal 90 degrees, or the sum of interior angle inside triangle equal 180 degrees, which means it will be equal 50 degrees. Okay, so this is just,
Miss,
yes,
from where did we get measure of angle 2?
measure of angle 2. Measure of angle 2 is exterior angle. We said that angle 1 equal how many, Hannah? Angle 1 equal how many? Equal 70, right? And the base angle, the other one, equal 70. Angle A here is an exterior, equal the sum of two non-adjacent interior angles. Or you can find the supplement one. Okay, so we said inside the triangle 180, so we will find the vertex angle here equal 40. This one, it will be equal 40, and then we will find its supplement. Okay, any other question? So for
Miss, we made what? We subtracted what with what?
For which part? Did you see this angle? It will be how many? This angle equal how many?
40.
40, right? If you want to find measure of angle 2, you can use supplement angle, right? Then 180 minus 40. Or you can use exterior angle. We said with exterior angle, like this, in case if we have a triangle and we have an exterior angle. We said with exterior angle, this angle equal the sum of two non-adjacent interior. Non-adjacent interior. For example, if this angle equal 110 and this angle equal 50, for example, then how we will find the other angle? It will be 110 minus 50. It will give us the angle. Okay? Any question? Any question?
No.